Ford's Mustang Mach-E is spearheading its drive into electric vehicles, but now the US giant is doubling down on EVs in Europe. Ford on Monday unveiled plans to sell 7 new electrified vehicles in the region. It also plans to build a battery assembly site in Germany and a nickel cell manufacturing facility in Turkey. The new models will feature 3 passenger cars and 4 commercial vehicles. Ford says it plans to sell over 600,000 EVs in Europe by 2026. As part of the push, it's also deepening a tie-up with Volkswagen. That will see it sell more cars built on VW's modular platform for EVs. It's now targeting 1.2 million over 6 years. The strategy update comes shortly after Ford announced a $50 billion investment push for electrification. That will see it run its EV units separately from the legacy internal combustion engines division. The company wants electric vehicles to account for half its output by 2030.